Hi, this is Gurpreet Basi and I will be presenting ICMPv6 messages. ICMP messages are basically an enhanced version of ICMPv4 messages. So those are independent in version 4 and are now part of ICMPv6 messages. So the ICMPv messages have been added to make it more useful protocol. ICMP is one of the core TCP IP protocols and it is described in RFC 4443. Now I will little bit tell about the general format of ICMPv6 message. That is 32-bit message, 8 bits are reserved for type and 8 bits are reserved for code and 24 bits are for checksum. Rest of the message body is we will be discussing in next part of the show. ICMPv6 messages are broadly classified into 4 categories: error messages, informational messages, neighbor discovery messages, group membership messages. So these neighbor discovery messages and group membership messages are discussed in ND protocol and MLD protocols. Error reporting is further classified into 5 categories. Those messages are called destination unreachable, packet too big, time exceeded, parameter problem, and redirection. Here is some comparison of version 4 and version 6 type of messages. Destination unreachable message is present in both versions. Source quench is present only version 4. Packet too big is present in version 6 only. And time exceeded, parameter problem, and redirection are present in both versions. Destination unreachable and packet too big messages. These are also called type 1 and type 2 messages. Destination unreachable messages are sent when a packet cannot be delivered to its destination for reasons other than congestion. A router or firewall generates these messages to provide some useful information to the sender. Next come type 3 and type 4 messages. These are called time exceeded and parameter problem messages. As router forward IPv6 packet, it decrements hop limit field by 1. When the hop limit results in 0, packet is dropped and ICMPv6 time is exceeded. So that message is sent to the source. This ensures that the packet does not travel endlessly. Parameter problem message is error message generated when a device processing a packet finds a problem with a field in the main IPv6 header or extension header. Redirection is the last category of those messages. So where those messages, the better hop router is selected from the other router paths. This is the concept used in redirection messages. Here is the format of redirection message. It is type 137 message, code is 0, and it has destination IP address and destination target physical address. So target physical address is the address which is selected over the other address. Informational message type 128 and type 129. These are also called echo request and echo reply messages. These messages are used by the ping. Ping is the commonly used to test a connectivity. A device sends an echo request to prompt the destination to return echo reply message. If the sender does not receive the corresponding reply, it does not mean that destination cannot be reached. There is the possibility of internet networking devices, discarding echo request and echo reply messages. Now we come to router solicitation message, router advertisement message, and neighbor solicitation message, neighbor advertisement messages, inverse neighbor solicitation message, and inverse advertisement messages. Type 133 and type 134 messages. So these are also called router solicitation message and router advertisement messages. Both of them are code 0 messages. A host sends a router solicitation message when it needs prefix length, default gateway, or other information for stateless address auto configuration. Host obtains its prefix and prefix length from router advertisement. Neighbor discovery devices are the routers and hosts. So these devices are used by mainly two protocols, and those are called neighbor solicitation and neighbor advertisement protocols. Neighbor discovery process is composed of three parts. Those are called address resolution, duplicate address detection, and neighbor unreachability detection. Neighbor solicitation and neighbor advertisement messages are type 135 and type 136 messages. These are two main protocols that are used by ICMPv6 neighbor discovery. Both messages are used by a device to request layer 2 link layer address information from another device on the same network, or provide this information to requesting device. Inverse neighbor solicitation messages. These are the called type 141 and type 142 messages. Next we comes to membership query messages and membership report messages. These are type 130, 131, 132 and 143 messages. Here is some overall view of the group membership operation, and that is also called MLD process. So host sends a report to router, and router queries the host, and then host is terminating the router. This is a kind of back and forth membership operation that is described in MLD. And finally comes the membership report messages. Those are called type 143 messages. Questions, please email gurpreet@student.cascadia.edu. Thank you.